Okay, grade 10. So what we're going to do today is a low solid geometry thing. So what we're going to do first is, you can see I've drawn a circle here with a line through it. This is a line at 60 degrees. And I'm going to draw a second line going through it, which will be a line at 30 degrees. So I'm not going to give precise measurements. I just want to give you guys an idea of how to finish the solid geometry. Okay. So we're going to draw up a hexagon, so that's why I needed the points. So for reference, my circle's radius is 20 mils. So I've got my compass on 20 mils, and I'm going to draw in little bows, which will help get the shape. Yours should be lighter than mine are quite dark, but I do want you to see what we're doing. And then you'll be able to fill in your edges. So we got 1, 2, and again, and then I'm going to obviously fill in my edges here and here as well. Okay, now we want to obviously draw in, this is the auxiliary view by the way. Okay, we want to draw our auxiliary view, our front view, our top view, and our left view. And just remember that because this is first orthographic, it means that our layout will be front, top, 45 degrees and left. Okay. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to measure 10 and 10. So from there I'm going to measure 10, and from there I'm going to measure 10. And at 30 degrees I'm going to draw lines. So we've got our XY line and just a light baseline here. Okay. Now we're going to draw in our front view. So I like to label my hexagon first. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I like to do the middle as point T for the top of the pyramid. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to bring back all of these lines. So point T here is going to start at this point here. But I'm going to bring back the lines for 6 and 4, for 1 and 3, for 2 and 4, 5. Now, I have not got a measurement for the length of this, but let's say you guys have a measurement, put your measurement in. I'm going to do a measurement of 70 because I think that would be a good measurement to sort of demonstrate what's what. So I'm going to do 70, and then I'm going to draw the base of my shape like that. And then I'm going to do one part of the triangle like that. So that will be 1 and 6 connecting to point T. Then we'll have 5 and 2. Okay. So that is your front view drawn in very easy, very quickly. Okay. So you can mark it off. All right. So now it's a little more technical. We need to do our top and our left view. So before we start, again, I like to label. It makes things easier, especially if you're new to this and you're not 100% sure what you're doing. So when you've done your labeling, you're going to draw 2 lines. You're going to do a vertical line and a horizontal line. Now these lines need to touch the edges of your shape. And then when you have done that, you're going to go 1, 2, and you're going to do 1 and a 2 as well. Hello, my boy. Come here. You can sit on the desk, but you can't disturb the drawing, okay? Okay, my boy. Okay, so now that you've got that, you're going to draw those lines vertically and horizontally. So I'm going to draw like that, and I know, and we're going to draw one like that. So I know you probably can't see with the cat's in the way, So I'll have to record again when he's not sitting all over everything. There you go, you've moved for me. So it should look like that. Mine's slightly off here, so I'm going to actually just redo that one. Okay. And you should have perfect 10-10. Mine's not perfect. Obviously, it's difficult with the cat walking across the board. And then we'll continue.